Hello, and welcome to Saginaw Valley State University. My name is Nicole, and I'm going to be your personal tour guide for today's Day of the Nest tour. Saginaw Valley State University is young and vibrant. Half of our alumni have graduated just since the year 2000, and we have made a lot of changes for our campus to accommodate the growth that we have experienced. 50% of our campus has been new or remodeled in the last 10 years. In this tour, you will get a chance to see the buildings and spaces that are most important to a student like you. I know that you're going to make lifelong connections here at SVSU. Speaking of connections, the first thing I want to point out about our campus is that most of the buildings are connected. There are a series of hallways and bridges that connect the buildings, which means we don't have to travel too far when the weather isn't in our favor. On any campus, the people and experiences are more important to our happiness than the buildings. Once we finish, we will provide you with the link to schedule a personal tour with one of our Club Red tour guides so that you can experience the approachable, supportive, and friendly environment here at SVSU. So let's start our day in the nest. Nearly 75% of Saginaw Valley students live on campus for their first year and get to wake up in the best ranked housing in America for public universities.